Okay, welcome back guys. So in this video we're going to take a look at the sidebar and we're going to make sure that it's fully functional. So we're going to make sure that the archives module and the categories section is going to be dynamic, meaning that WordPress will populate the categories and the months of the year by the blog posts that are available. So we'll be able to filter them down to how we would like them displayed. So the text that's in the archives and categories section is just currently static HTML. So it's just what we've pulled in from the Bootstrap site. I'm going to change that now. So we'll change this in the sidebar.php. So we'll head over to that now. And we'll start with the month of the year. So if we just delete all of the list items for now, I'm going to replace this with a WordPress PHP function. So open up the PHP tags. Then inside this, we're going to replace it with WP underscore get underscore archives with the bracket and the semicolon, and then save that and head back over to the blog and refresh. And now we'll lose all the Bootstrap months of the year which you put in earlier on, and now we're just left with the WordPress generated months. So currently I've only got posts in the month of August. So just to give it a little bit more content, I'm just going to add one more post. And I'll just copy the sample text. So add one more post, and I'm going to call this the September news. Then paste in a little bit of text in there. And this can go in the news category and a tag of news. And then publish that. And then go back to the blog section. Okay, so now we've got posts from two separate months. We can see that WordPress adds these in automatically. I'm going to do exactly the same with the categories section. So back to the sidebar.php and find the categories section, which is just below the archives. And then delete the free list items that we've got in there. Open up the PHP. And the PHP function that we use is WP underscore list categories. And save that. And then refresh the blog. So now the sidebar module under the categories has got the WordPress categories that we've been putting in as we've created the blog posts. We've got an extra categories title on there which we don't want. So the way to remove that is back in the sidebar PHP. And within the WP list categories function, within the brackets, we can remove the title between the quotations by typing in title underscore li equals, and we can just leave that blank so no title appears. So save and refresh, and we're just left with our level 4 heading that we've put in ourselves. And now WordPress has put the months and the categories in. We can actually select these links now, and this should filter down the blog page to show posts only by the category or the month we select. So we selected news there, and we'll just check it's all working by scrolling down. So we just got two posts there, both with the category of news. So if we select September, we should just get the one post that we made today. Now let's try one more. We'll just try the offers section. And we've just got the one blog post with the offers category. So that all appears to be working fine. So if you join me in the next video, we'll create the archive.php, which controls the layout of this view.